Las horas de las 9, punta a las 8:30. 9:30. Suprematical refers to meaning of singular. Collective forms of certain nouns. Cattle, cattle forecast. Pride for lions, pride for lions. Boards, mob for kangaroos, mob for kangaroos, nogal for this is a word that expresses an action or a state of being. The following are the basic classification of verbs. According to formal differentiation, according to syntactic requirements, intransitive, these verbs do not have complements. They are not followed by noun or adjective phrases, since they indicate actions done by the subject and one or nothing else. These are what is transitive verbs. Transitive verbs. These verbs are followed by noun, a light curve. A light curve. Noun means loaded and then transitive verbs. These verbs are followed by noun. Phrases functioning as their direct object. Is patient or receiver of the action. Tom loves. Banner. A boy caught a butterfly. 30 minutes run. So mag-in atong live 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Descriptive or linking verbs. These verbs are followed by a noun phrases. Adjective phrase or adverb of place or time, which may be a prepositional phrase. These verbs are also known as verbs of incomplete predication. They ascribe an identity, quality, or position to the subject relating the succeeding part of the sentence, called the complement to the subject. Behind ascriptive. The event is today. Become. The younger Beaker became a millionaire. Sim, scones in his fun. Remain the boy. Auxiliary verbs. These verbs are used to complete the verb phrase in certain constructions, such as the emphatic, the negative, the possessive, or the perfect progressive aspects. Due to the tense marking, which means that when these auxiliary verbs are used. Okay, mag-get itong lang is 9:30 in the evening. So we have only 13 p.m. We are live in 9:30 a.m. p.m. Modal verbs. These verbs occur to auxiliary verbs. These are used to complete the verb phrase. The main verbs no longer uninflected or take the past or present participle. Do. I do love you. I do not love you. You did not tell me what to do. You did not tell me what to do. You do not tell me. Modal verbs. These verbs for the main verb, and denote modification of the basic meaning of the main verb in terms of attitude, conditionality of the action, and the like. Modal verbs belong to attributes of already different function because when modal verbs are used, the main verbs are also inflected. Modal verbs shall, should, could, can. So I shall, example, I shall live early. So modal verbs, shall, should, example, I shall leave early. I should have left earlier. So I can do the task. Modal verbs. I could have done that task. Reflexive verbs. Intransitive verbs, assertive verbs, living verbs, then modal, else considered modal verbs, reflexive verbs. These verbs take the reflexive pronoun indicating action done by the actor. Reflexive verbs. So, example, scholars write themselves under discovers. We shared a bottle of wine among ourselves. Reflexive themselves. So, guidelines on usage, transitive and intransitive. Some verbs are both intransitive and transitive. So, verb sentence function. Let us articles. Moving along, 17. So articles, the different articles are indefinite article, and are. So indefinite article, and with singular noun, 0 for plural nouns is when referring to an item which is not commonly known by you and the reader and hearer. Example: an apple, a D keeps the doctor away. An apple. Another: a boy, give me a rose. A boy. Indefinite article and okay. To non-indefinite article some. Non-indefinite article some with singular noun used when referring to an entity identifiable some extent by you and your hearer or reader, but which you prefer not to name. The definite article da. Definite article da. Used when both you and your hearer or reader are certain about the identity of what nouns refers to. Examples: the man left immediately. The man. So, certain. That certain man. The congressman. The congressman is generous. The congressman is generous. So, articles, so multiple articles, indefinite article, and with singular noun, and the definite article da using so subject verb agreement rule. So number one, singular subject noun take and is form of verb. Singular subject noun take and is form of verb. Example: the child singular runs by s with s runs. The child runs towards the ice cream truck. So, ang bata nagdagan. Yung bata. So, ang bata nagdagan towards ice cream truck. Number 2, a plural subject noun. Plural subject takes a base form of the base form. So the children plural. So run without s, plural. Children run plural. Child singular, runs singular. The children run towards the ice cream truck. So children plural, run plural. So if the subject is singular, the verb is singular. Singular, plural. Okay. So number 3, subject verb agreement rule. Number 3, the subject pronouns. So subject pronouns he, she, it take the s form of verb. So ang he, she, it means singular. So it is singular and it takes singular verb. Example: he wishes. He wishes to be an astronaut someday. He singular and wishes also singular. So he wishes to be an astronaut someday. Another one is she. She hikes. Saying a plural as she is plural and hikes is plural. So with s. With s. So kapag may s, no, when there is is singular. Okay. Subject verb agreement rule number 4. The subject's pronouns I. So I is a special pronoun. It may be singular or plural. You also is a special pronoun. So I, you, we, they take the base form of verb. So base form of verb without s. Example: you are adorable. So you is always plural. You are adorable. You subject and are is the plural. You are adorable. Okay. So I hate you. I is plural. So hate is also plural. Hate without s. This form hate. So number 5. Singular indefinite pronouns. So pronouns. It's either, neither, one, everyone, everybody, no one, nobody, anybody, someone, somebody, everything, nothing. That is indefinite pronouns, singular indefinite. Example: everybody wants, everybody singular, one singular. Everybody wants to attend the concert. Something is wrong. Something is singular. Is a linking verb, also singular. Okay. Number 6. Subject verb agreement rule number 6. So plural indefinite pronouns both indefinite both few, many, several take the base form. So plural indefinite pronouns both few, many, several take the base form. So only a few get lions as pets. So only a few is plural, keep this form. So number 7. The indefinite pronoun all, any, most, none, and some may be either singular or plural daw. So if the pronoun refers to one person or thing, it is singular and it takes and is form of verb. If it refers to more than one person or thing, it is plural and takes a base form of verb. So example: some is an indefinite pronoun. So some of the cake is gone. So some refers to the cake, not cakes. No? This is some of the cake is gone. Some of the cake. Cake is singular. Some means part. Some paintings were lost. Paintings is plural. Some paintings were lost during the war. The one is some refers to more than one painting. So some paintings, to say paintings, many paintings. So plural. Okay. Number 8. Subjects joined by and take the base form of verbs. So subject that joined by and the conjunction and take a base form verb. So a telephone line and an internet. There are two subjects: a telephone line and an internet connection. So are singular, are sold to Keller as a vendor. So there are two subjects: telephone line and an internet connection. Used in plural verb. So there is an exception. A compound subject that refers to a single person or two or more things. So considered as one unit or one thing, takes an is for verb. Example, pride and rice is my brother's favorite meal. So one course in a meal. So pride and fish, that only refers to one meal. So it takes a singular form. Another sample. The teacher and advisor of our classroom is my sister. Refers to his only one sister. Okay. So number 9, subject verb number 9. When two subjects are joined by or, nor, either or, neither nor, the verb agrees with another subject. What answer or, nor, neither nor is correlative conjunction. The correlative conjunction either or, neither nor, the verb agrees with another subject. Example, neither the students nor the teacher is ready for today's lessons. So neither the students nor the teacher. So neither the teacher nor the students are ready to these lessons. So nor the students. Next is